day 2.
So we're happy with something? We'll get it out of there. Just want to make sure.
Yeah, no.
Okay, so we're just gonna,
robots.
we're just gonna make one.
Yes, we'll just do that.
We have a Lego.
I'm glad we okay with that.
Awesome. Type the name you want on that little whiteboard. Awesome. So here we have all those pre-designed shirts. It is layers, so then you can paint on them. You can change the size of the paint as well as the color.
That is so cool.
Double tap the trash can first.